Welcome to Simple German from Speaksli.com.
Before we get too far along in German, it's a good time to learn how to make a basic sentence, like, I drink water. This is how to say, I, in German.
Ich.
The verb, to drink, is
trinken, trink, trinken.
To say, I drink, drop the en at the end of the verb, and add the e back on when talking about yourself. Because you are, for excellent. So never forget the e at the end of verbs when you're talking about yourself.
Ich trinke.
I drink water.
Ich trinke Wasser. Ich trinke Wasser.
This water was excellent.
This was Simple German from Speaksli.com.